Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, April 12th, 2024. Let's find out what is the altcoin of the week for the week. And actually at zondacrypto we got the CHZ. CHZ to Tether is the chart, daily time frame chart that you are looking at. And generally speaking, this kind of a movement that the CHZ is doing right now is a typical after the free wave advance. So let me just sort it out for you guys. Let me just remove this volume and mark some levels so we are clear on the same site. So what we have here is, of course, the recent high located at 0.1680. So this is the technical resistance. Now we got another one. The another one is located likely here 1663, 0.1663, and we got one more technical resistance, and this is the latest one. And the latest one, as you can see, was located somewhere around 0.1584. Actually it was done at 0.1601. So this is the major supply zone area, and this is the local technical resistance. So how the market ended up here. So for the first thing is, during the past couple of weeks, maybe a little bit longer, we got this ABC movement here to the upside. So this movement is clearly corrective. Now the movement to the downside after the bearish engulfing pattern went below 0.1523, which means we got the wave overlaps, which is why this movement can be labeled only as the ABC wave progression to the upside, corrective in nature. Now, where this level came from? Well, this is pretty sure that this level came from the Fibonacci. So the Fibonacci here, as you can see, for this level was almost 100%, and the 100% was 0.1628. The local high was 0.16001. So there is just a little bit of the room not covered in order to the length of the wave A measured from the low of the wave B was the same as the length of the wave C. So it covered roughly around 95% of the length of the wave. Wave C covered 95% of the length of the wave A. So now we can get rid of it. The point is, however, that we got free wave movement to the upside, and this market is full of the free wave movements so far. We got the wave A here, we got the wave B here, we got the wave, let's say, wave C here. So we got ABC, ABC, and possibly now ABC, another correction is in progress. And as you can see, this is all corrective in nature. All right, the structure is corrective, which means that when the correction is done, we can assume that the uptrend will be continued. Now let me just remove this ABC labels because I got something else for you. We got this trend line here. Okay, that's not a problem to market. Something like this is apparently okay, not a problem with labeling this line as like that. Okay, and we got the line here. We can clearly see that the market has been trying to get towards the trend line and then test it, maybe break it. However, bearish engulfing pattern has happened just below the 100% Fibonacci expansion level. So this area here is very important for the bulls because they need to break above this slight area here in order to get towards the all-time high, the swing high, and then test it or break it, right? So we can see that past week the bulls tried to rally, very nice movement from 0.1266 to 0.6101, but then bearish engulfing happened and they didn't actually even test the trend line and the Fibonacci extension. And the reason for that might be in the RSI, in the momentum. So if we take a look here on the momentum on a daily time frame chart, we can see past week moving higher, but only towards the level of 60. 60 level is a strong positive momentum, but it's not enough for the bulls to continue to continue higher, which is why possibly this movement here happened. The bearish engulfing, big red candle, then kind of a bounce to the upside, then again a red candle. Now, where are we heading? The first level we are heading towards to is 0.1265. So this is the technical support, and the other level we are heading towards is 0.1157. So we are locked in this zone here, which is apparently, I will do this date and the time together, which is apparently something like, let's say, 39 days long, and it's a minus 31%, which is why the Chiliz needs to move higher soon. Otherwise, this up move will be terminated, and the market might break even towards 0.10 area again. Which is why, please keep an eye on the current situation, keep an eye on the market progression. It looks like we are continuing ABC everywhere, which is corrective pattern, and there is a potential for the Chiliz to terminate the correction and then resume the uptrend. However, we cannot go, of course, below the recent swing low at 0.1157 with this kind of a momentum oscillating around the level of 70, a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down. This is not the bullish momentum whatsoever, so please keep an eye on this indicator as well. We need a very nice spike to the upside if the bulls wants to continue, or we need a reversal to the downside if the bulls wants to if the bears wants to apparently test this level here and maybe even break it. So that's the outlook for the Chiliz as our altcoin of the week. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.